back to another video. Today we're going to be making a giant T-Rex out of this. It's going to be a fun time. I'll see you when we make it. Shabalama! A scary, terrifying T-Rex. I will see you in the next episode. Don't forget to turn your device from this way to this way. Hit that subscribe button, hit the like button, and it's so easy, even Mr. T-Rex can do it, right? It's super easy. Just make sure you hit that subscribe button. And if you do, don't forget to hit that notification bell. I will see you in the next episode.